First, take out of all items from the package. Package includes instant print camera, cartoon stickers, Type-C cable, 32GB SD card, color pens, print paper roll, lanyard. Open the paper slot by pulling the bottom cover of the camera outward. Place the paper roll in the paper slot. Pull out a bit of paper and close the bottom cover. Camera side pull-up rubber. Insert the memory card, making sure the metal contacts are facing downward. Push the card in until you hear a click. Can transfer data or charge the camera via the Type-C slot. There is a reset hole on the side. When the camera is abnormal or jammed, you can use a tool to press this hole to reset the camera. Press and hold the power button to start the camera. Blue light is always on when the device is turned on. Press OK key to enter the video preview screen. When an S card is inserted, there is a S card icon on the screen. The first icon is for photo mode, in order of magnification, resolution, print mark, and power level. The number on the print mark represents the print density. Short press the up-down buttons to flip through the pages to select filters, stickers, or effects. Long press up-down button to zoom in or out the image. Maximum magnification up to 16 times, minimum 1 times. In photo mode, short press the OK button to take a picture. Please press the photo button and keep the camera still for 1 to 2 seconds, otherwise the photo may be blurred. Make sure you are within the correct photo distance. Press the print button to cancel print mode. Print icon does not appear in the screen. In this state, pressing OK key saves the current screen and does not print it. Press and hold the OK button to switch to video mode. FHD denotes the resolution of the video recording. The time period indicates the length of time the S card can store. In video mode, short press the video button to switch between slow motion, time-lapse, normal video. Press the OK button to turn on the recording function. Press the OK button again to close the recording function. Press the playback button to enter the playback interface. When playing a video, you can press the OK button for playback. Press the up or down button to toggle through the pages to select a file. Switch to the image you want to print and press the print button to switch to print mode. Press the OK button to print. Select the file you want to delete. Long press the menu key to delete the file. Press the up-down buttons to select the delete option and press the OK button to delete. If you don't want to delete, press the back button to exit. Press the back button to return to the main screen. Press the up-down buttons to switch to settings. Press OK to confirm. Press the OK button to enter language switching. Press the up-down buttons to select the desired language and press the OK button to confirm. Press the up-down buttons to select the version, and press the OK button to view the version information. Press the back button to return. Press the up-down buttons to switch to default settings. Press the OK button to confirm. Select the Restore Factory Settings option. Restore factory settings. The system will restore all settings to the initial state. Switch to cancel and press the OK button to cancel the operation. Switch to frequency. You can switch the frequency to 50 Hz, 60 Hz. Switch to cyclic record. You can switch record off 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Switch to LCD off. You can set the camera to turn off and turn off after 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. For example, if the setting is 1 minute, the camera will automatically black out after 1 minute of no operation. Switching to auto off, you can set the power to turn off automatically when there is no operation for a specified period of time. Switch to format and select format or unformat operation. After formatting, all files on the SD card are erased. Switch to the camera resolution and select the camera resolution as required. Switch to recording resolution and select the resolution of the video according to your needs. Switch to volume. Press the up or down button to adjust the volume. Switch to daytime. Press the up or down button to adjust the number, and press the OK button to save. Switch to print style and select the desired print mode. Switch to print density to set the print density mode to low, mid, high. Press the back button to return to the main screen. Press up-down button to switch to MP3. Press OK button to confirm. Press the up-down buttons to select the music you want to play. Press the OK button to play it. Long press the up-down buttons to quickly adjust the volume. Short press the up-down buttons to switch songs. Press the back button to return to the main screen. Press up-down button to switch to games. Press OK button to confirm. Game description: Snake beat the bricks, Tetris push the box maze. Press the back button to return to the main screen. Press and hold the power button to turn the camera off. Connect one end of the Type-C to the computer and plug the other end into the camera. Connects to your computer without plugging in a card. You can read the camera's files and videos on your computer. As shown in the video. Camera shuts down automatically after disconnecting Type-C cable. when cordless insertion is connected to the computer. After selecting this mode, the device will turn into a computer camera. After the camera appears with this icon. When the camera is charging, the red light is on and the red to blue light indicates that the battery is full.